Now, whenever I do this to the left, you'll be able to see this very well. Right here, my legs are relaxed on him. Watch whenever I switch or ask him to turn, I'm gonna look left, and then my left leg is coming off. He's already thinking left. So same thing here. Basically, I have to start from scratch again because he wants to flex to the left as opposed to moving his shoulders. And this is a big boy. If he can do it, anybody can do it. The big misconception is that you drag horses around whenever you one-hand them. You do not want to do that. You want to have a horse that's light and easy. And the way that you're going to keep your horse light and easy through this whole process is really setting him up for success.